Noah, your room is a mess. Go tidy it up. I said I'll do it later.
Have you done your homework yet?
I'll do it later. But later never came.
And Noah was about to learn a lesson he wouldn't forget.
I think my room just ate my tablet.
Noah had a special talent. He could delay anything. Homework? Later. Cleaning his room? Later. If there were an Olympic gold medal for postponing, Noah would win it every time. Right now, his eyes were glued to his most prized possession, his shiny golden tablet. Noah, his mom called. Homework! I'll do it later, Noah shouted, tapping his screen. Piles of snack wrappers and soda cans sat around him like a tiny metal forest, but Noah didn't care. He was the king of the mess. Until the next morning. Noah reached for his tablet, but his hand grabbed nothing. He blinked. He checked under his pillow. Empty. He checked under the blanket. Nothing. Suddenly, Noah's heart started beating like a drum. "My tablet!" he screamed. He jumped off the bed and began digging through the mountain of junk on his desk. He peeked under the bed, but all he saw was dust and a lonely sock that had been missing for weeks. "No!" Noah cried. His room was so messy it had actually eaten his favorite toy. Noah clutched his fists. "Okay, I'll find it." He moved a pile of clothes. Nothing. He stacked some old plates. Still nothing. After 20 minutes, he was sweating and frustrated. "It's impossible," he groaned, collapsing onto his bed. Just then, his mom peeked in. "My tablet is gone forever," Noah wailed. Mom crossed her arms. "Noah, your room is working against you, but an organized space is a superpower." A superpower? Noah's eyes widened. He stood up. "Let's do it." The great cleanup began. Level 1, trash. Noah grabbed a bag and started picking up wrappers. Crinkle, crinkle. Level 2, plates. He carried the smelly dishes to the kitchen. Level 3, clothes. He sorted the shirts and folded them proudly. As the floor appeared, Noah felt good. It was like he was winning a real-life video game. Finally, he reached the biggest pile of all, near his bed. He dug through books, socks, and a missing toy car. Suddenly, glint! Something shiny peeked through. Noah froze. He pulled it out slowly, and there it was, his beautiful golden tablet. "Yes!" he shouted, jumping up and down. "I found you!" Mom appeared at the door. "And what did you learn?" Noah looked around his clean, peaceful room. "I learned that cleaning isn't just a chore. It's like unlocking a superpower. I can actually find my stuff now." From that day on, when Mom asked him to clean, Noah didn't say later. Most of the time. He learned that a clean space makes life easier, happier, and way less stressful, especially when your tablet decides to play hide and seek. The Cleanup Champion Quiz. Question 1. What did Noah always say whenever he was asked to do his chores? Answer. He always said, "I'll do it later." He was the king of postponing. Question 2. What did Noah's mom call an organized and clean room? Answer. She called it a superpower because it makes your life easier and helps you find your treasures. Question 3. What did Noah find in the very last pile of clothes and books? Answer. His beautiful, shiny, golden tablet. And he even found a missing toy car, too.
If you want to unlock the cleaning superpower with Noah, hit that subscribe button and join our team.
And if you think a clean room is the best place to play, give this video a big thumbs up!
See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!